Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving into the town of Mandeville. Now Mandeville is the capital of Manchester and the largest town in Manchester. So we are on the Winston Jones Highway and we're going to be driving into the town of Mandeville. Now we had said in a previous video that Mandeville is the largest town on the south coast of Jamaica outside of Spanish Town. And somebody indicated that Maypen is a larger town than Mandeville. So I'm not sure, I'm asking you guys, which town do you think is bigger, Mandeville or Maypen? Maypen is the capital of Clarendon and the main town and the largest town in Clarendon. Mandeville is the capital of Manchester and the largest town and the main town in Manchester. So when you're driving from Kingston to say St. Elizabeth, you have Kingston, and the next main town would be Spanish Town, and then the next main town would be Old Harbour, then Maypen, then Mandeville, and then you go into Santa Cruz. And all these towns are along the main road. Some of them, like Maypen and Mandeville, they have bypasses. Even Spanish Town has a bypass because they're so busy. Santa Cruz actually has a bypass as well, but it's not a road like what we're on. It's more like a back road. Alright, so we're now coming to the roundabouts and okay, so let's go now. If we turn left ahead now, we go into Mandeville. This left here where those cars are turning. Turn left here and we go towards Spur Tree Hill. Turn left here and we go to Mile Gully. Turn left here and we go back on the Winston Jones Highway. That's the road we just came off of. But today we're driving into Mandeville, so we are going to turn here. I think this is Colin Green Road. No, New Green Road. Sorry about that, guys. New Green Road. So on the left is a new JPS office. JPS Mandeville Operations. There's a sign, Mandeville. Alright, so we're now in the town of Mandeville, and straight ahead is Caledonia Road. If we turn left or right, that's Caledonia Road. And that's probably the main road in Mandeville, very popular road. Straight ahead is the Manchester Shopping Centre. On the left you have KFC, Burger King. I mean, Mandeville is a major town in Jamaica. Major town. So you're going to find all the infrastructure, all the fast food restaurants. When we say infrastructure, we mean like government infrastructure, the courthouse, tax office, all the government agencies, from NIS to NHT, those kind of infrastructure. You're going to find all the major financial institutions having an office or a branch in Mandeville. You're going to find all the fast food chains. Everything you would find in a major town, you're going to find here. All the restaurants, the clubs, entertainment section. Okay, so we're now going, looks like they don't have the green. So we're now going on to Main Street, and that will take us to the town center. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about these videos. And also if you have any information to add, we can use it in upcoming videos. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us.